सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
Friends, today our country is celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. It is the birthday of M.K. Gandhi, also called as Mahatma Gandhi.
What is Gonzalo? Pizarro, Pizarro. Yeah, explain.
The real name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar on 2nd October in 1869. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putniwas Gandhi. Gandhi started the Swaraj movement by taking up the charkha and encouraged the Indians to spend their own clothes.
Okay. And what about these three things? What are these three things? क्या है तीन?
ये गांधी जी के तीन बंधन जो गांधी जी ने अपने रूम में रखे हुए थे। वो दिन आते थे जाते थे। जिसने एक व्यक्ति ने पूछा कि तीन बंधन क्या है, तो उसने कहा कि इसका मतलब ये तीन बंधन मेरे शिक्षक जो बोला कि इससे फर्स्ट वाले में बोलते हैं कि बुरा मत बोलो और किसी बुराई मत करो, और दूसरे वाले में बुरा मत सुनो और तीसरे वाले में बुरा मत देखो।
That's it.
The story of my experiment with truth is the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, cover his life. Thank you.
This is your Gandhi ji.
Good morning to you, our friend. We say a speech for our Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar in the Indian state of Gujarat. In India, with respect, we call him Bapu or father of our nation. Gandhiji's principles were influenced by non-violence and self-discipline. Gandhi left his home at the age of 19 to study law in London. Soon after returning to India in mid 1891, he was accepted a position with Indian firm that sent him to its office in South Africa. He was in South Africa for nearly 20 years as a Gandhi once experienced discrimination while he traveled to Victoria. He was thrown out of the first-class railway compartment for refusing to give up his seat for European passengers. Soon after this journey, Gandhi started to teaching the concept of Satyagraha, truth and kindness, as a way of non-cooperation with authorities. One message.
Okay, good. What is this? Charkha. What is the importance of charkha?
Medicine and clothes.
Clothes. What is Swadeshi?
A movement for national independence in India and revolt groups and Gandhiji studied about London. After returning to India, he lived a simple life and stitching out his own clothes and promoted and motivated India to use cottons and cotton and textile of India and to boycott Videshi clothes. Thank you.
Who are you? Gandhi.
Are you making clothes? Khadi clothes? Making